Nighttime flight number 1, right? Nighttime flight number 1. Nighttime flight number 1. Almost lost my toes. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, cut the lights off. Hey, Lily, cut those lights off.
It's really like leaning and stuff. I had to fix the trim for sure. You see how it leans? It needs to be balanced out. It's not balanced.
That's a UFO. Hey, Lily.
I can't tell how close I'm getting to the wires. Oh, now it's gonna be 10. I can't see the things though. I can't see the little pole, the wires. Yeah, turn it back on. Yeah, just so I can see the wire. Where am I? Ooh. Ooh. That's the drone. Keeps going forward by itself, which is weird, but I'll fix it later. I kind of want to go outside, honestly, because you can't really move around too much out here.
Give it a flip. That's awesome. Oh. Can you roll? Oh, you can't see the power line, so you won't be able to run it down the street.
Yeah, that's why we should fly it downstairs next time.
Yeah, you'll clip the power lines. You can give it some altitude here in the starlight.
Oh. It's the wind is kind of pushing it. Like, look, it's drifting. I'm not even touching it. You see how much it drifts? Are you sure you want me to fly that up that high? Look, look, I'm not touching it right now. It goes forward automatically. That's what I'm talking about. I don't want it to. Look, I'm not. It just flies to the side. It's either wind or it's the rotor, like the trim.
Wow. Almost took my head off.
Oh, God. Oh, God. It's too close. It's like a millimeter from hitting the ceiling. I need to fix the trim. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah.
You know, like where it leans to one side.
I like the LED lights off its all 4 quadcopter blades. It's got LED lights on it.
Yeah, it's cool.
See if you can bring it all the way to the street and then like back up. Like, don't clip the power lines, but just slowly drift it to the down towards the street, like low altitude. That's good piloting skills right there. Oh, good recovery. Look at that. Oh, you're way out there.
Drop.
That's an ET craft. That's an alien ET craft.
Drop.
I think that's an ET craft. It's a white elliptical globe. I think some fighter pilots saw something like that.
I think I'm gonna bring it in.
This is an elliptical globe. This is an ET craft. Watch out for the ET craft. It might be spreading microbial organisms. Be careful with this ET craft.
Oh, God. I want to land it.
Do you think we should report this craft?
I kind of want to land it, don't you?
This is an ET craft. We have to be careful. It may not be terrestrial here. It could
You
be.
want to maybe make another video downstairs and make on it?
Yeah, but this is an ET craft.
I'm gonna land it. Here, watch out.
I mean, this is a strange craft. I mean, it's nothing I've ever seen before. It's not military.
Yeah, it's a UFO.
I mean, it might be like something that we have to be really careful about.
Watch out. I'm gonna land.
Oh, you're bringing it in?
Yeah. Yeah, you need to move a lot. Oh God.
Look at the lights on that thing.
Reminds me like a praying mantis.
Yeah, it looks like a mantis, doesn't it?
Oh, I don't think I'm.
Look at the moth coming to hang out. Oh. Oh, death by drone. Death by drone. Oh.
Land,
Okay.
land.
Oh. That's what I call success. What's up, piloting skills? That was awesome, bro. That was awesome, bro. Piloting skills.
About 3 times.
We got piloting skills. Let's go.
About 3 times.
Let's go. Piloting skills, bro. Let's charge that thing up and get a redo. This is the drone.
Yeah. We'll fly again tomorrow, I guess.
Yeah, this is the drone right here. It's a pretty cool drone. Yeah, it did really good.
What's this?
It's a really good drone, bro. Great skills, great skills, great skills, great skills.